Your entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, enhances curb appeal, and plays a major role in energy efficiency. For Eagle homeowners, finding an affordable entry door that doesn't sacrifice durability or performance is absolutely possible. The key is understanding which features truly matter and how modern materials make high quality more accessible than ever. If you're considering upgrading your front door, here's how you can achieve long-lasting value without overspending. Why replacing your entry door matters over time. Entry doors can show signs of wear. Warping, cracking, fading, drafts, and sticking are all common issues, especially with older wood doors exposed to changing weather conditions. In Eagle, where winters can be cold and summers warm, your front door must handle temperature swings, moisture, and daily use. An outdated or poorly insulated door can lead to higher heating and cooling costs, reduced home security, decreased curb appeal, ongoing maintenance expenses. Replacing your door with an affordable, high-quality option addresses all of these concerns at once. Affordable materials that deliver durability. Today's entry doors are designed to offer both strength and cost efficiency. Two of the most popular budget-friendly materials are fiberglass and steel. Fiberglass entry doors are a top choice for homeowners seeking durability without the price of solid wood. They resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, and many are designed to mimic the look of natural wood grain. Steel entry doors are another cost-effective option. Known for their strength and security, steel doors typically include insulated cores and durable finishes that withstand weather exposure. Both materials provide long-term performance at a fraction of the cost of traditional hardwood doors. Energy efficiency that saves money over time. Affordability isn't just about upfront cost, it's also about long-term savings. Modern entry doors often feature insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and tight compression seals. These features help reduce drafts, maintain consistent indoor temperatures, lower monthly energy bills in Eagle's colder months. A properly insulated door prevents heat from escaping. During warmer periods, it blocks outside heat from entering. Energy efficiency makes your investment pay off year after year. Security features. Without premium pricing, home security is a top priority, and affordable entry doors don't mean sacrificing protection. Many mid-range options include reinforced steel frames, multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty strike plates, impact-resistant glass inserts. These features provide reliable protection while remaining budget-friendly. Customization options that fit your budget. Affordable entry doors still offer design flexibility. Eagle homeowners can choose from various panel styles, decorative glass inserts, neutral and bold color finishes, modern or traditional hardware. With the right selection, you can enhance your home's architectural style without upgrading to premium pricing tiers. Professional installation protects your investment. Even the best door won't perform properly without correct installation. A professionally installed entry door ensures a tight, secure fit, proper insulation around the frame, smooth operation, long-term durability. Skipping professional installation may seem like a way to save money, but improper fitting can lead to drafts, security issues, and premature wear. Boosting curb appeal and property value. A new entry door instantly refreshes your home's exterior. In Eagle neighborhoods, where well-maintained homes stand out, a stylish door can make a powerful first impression. Affordable upgrades that improve both appearance and performance often increase overall property value, making entry door replacement a smart financial decision. Quality within reach. For Eagle homeowners, upgrading your entry door doesn't have to mean stretching your budget. With today's durable materials, energy-efficient features, and wide design options, you can find affordable entry doors in Eagle that deliver lasting quality. By choosing the right materials, focusing on essential performance features, and ensuring professional installation, you'll enjoy improved comfort, security, and curb appeal, all without compromising on value. A better front door is more accessible than you might think, and it starts with choosing affordability that still delivers strength and style.